So on this, the first episode of the Very Merry Make It with Calvin Christmas, I'm going to be talking about the leaf coasters here that Ashley over at Chip Builds had me print up for her. Now, these were done on the G-Tech A10M that Jimmy Shaw's Tidbits was nice enough to loan me when I went down to see family over Thanksgiving. And the components were printed up in AMZ 3D Gray for the leaf holder and AMZ 3D Mint Green for the actual leaves. And I have to say, I'm actually a big fan of the color of them and also the way the colors work together. Not exactly known for having the best color choices in life, so it helps to have friends who are graphic designers who know better color choices than I do. Now, the nice thing about this print is it's relatively fast to pull off. The leaf body here only took about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours tops, and each leaf was about an hour and a half a piece. Now, one thing I will say is the original leaves were a little thicker than what I had wanted, so I just went into my slicer, which was Simplify 3D, and just pulled the leaf down 1 millimeter. Also, Ashley wanted 4 of these, and I found that pulling them down a little bit made them fit better into the holder, although I do understand that there is a little bit of a lip there. Now, one other little bit of advice that I would give is when you're done with these, maybe consider coming along and spraying them down with either some clear coat or sealing them with some epoxy, because they are a flat 3D printed surface and sometimes the edges won't all fully fill in. Last thing you want is water getting inside and causing mold and all kinds of nasty things like that. So it's not critical that you spray it down with a clear coat or seal it with epoxy, but personally I'd feel a little better if I did that. That said though, the link to this will be down in the description, and the Amazon affiliate links for where you can purchase the filament used for this will be down in the description as well. If you guys enjoyed, and have a very Merry Maker Christmas.